In Japan, there are no cleaning staff at schools. No janitors mopping the hallways, no custodians scrubbing the toilets. Instead, the kids do it every single day. And before you say, that sounds chaotic, let me show you what it actually does to a child's brain. In Japanese schools, there are facility staff, but no professional cleaners. The cleaning is done entirely by the students themselves. This starts as early as first grade, around age 6. Every day, after lunch, the entire school stops. And for about 15 to 20 minutes, every student cleans. They sweep the hallways, they mop the classrooms, they scrub the toilets, they wipe the windows. Each class has an assigned zone. Each student has a role. Nobody is exempt, not even the quietest kid in the back row. And here's what's wild. There's no reward, no sticker chart, no prize at the end. They just do it because it's part of being at school.
So why does Japan do this? It comes down to a concept called soji, which literally means cleaning, but carries a much deeper meaning in Japanese culture. In Zen Buddhism, cleaning is not a chore, it's a practice. When you clean your space, you clean your mind. The act of sweeping a floor isn't just about the floor, it's about cultivating attention, humility, and care for others. Japanese schools are built on a principle called kyodo seikatsu, communal living. The idea is simple. This school belongs to all of us, so all of us take care of it. There's no, that's not my job mentality. Because in Japan, when you're part of a community, it's all your job. And this shapes something fundamental in how Japanese children see themselves in relation to others. Now, let's talk about what the science says. When children are given real responsibilities, not pretend ones, not optional ones, something shifts in their brain. Research in developmental psychology shows that children who regularly complete meaningful chores develop stronger executive function. That means better focus, better self-control, and better ability to handle frustration. A long-term study by Marty Rossman at the University of Minnesota found that children who did chores from an early age were more likely to be successful adults in their careers, relationships, and mental health. But here's the key word: meaningful. Picking up their own toys is fine, but scrubbing the school toilet? That's meaningful. That tells a child, you are capable, you are trusted, you matter to this community. In neuroscience terms, completing a task like this triggers the release of dopamine, the brain's reward chemical. Not because someone gave them a prize, but because their brain recognized, I did something real. I contributed. That feeling of contribution is one of the most powerful forces in human psychology, and Japanese schools engineer it into every single school day.
So how do you bring this into your home? You don't need a Japanese school. You just need to shift how you think about chores. Step 1. Make it non-negotiable. Not, can you help me? Not, if you feel like it. In Japanese schools, there's no opt-out. The expectation is clear. This is what we do. At home, that might sound like, after dinner, we all clean up together. That's how our family works. Step 2. Give them real tasks. Age 2 to 3, wiping tables, putting shoes away neatly. Age 4 to 5, sweeping floors, sorting laundry. Age 6 plus, cleaning bathrooms, cooking simple tasks, taking out trash. The task should feel slightly challenging. That's the point. Step 3. Don't redo it. This is the hard one for parents. When your child mops the floor and it's still a little dirty, leave it. The moment you redo their work, you send the message, you didn't do it well enough. I don't trust you. Japanese teachers let kids own the result, even if it's imperfect. Step 4. Name the contribution. Instead of good job, try because you clean the bathroom, our whole family gets to enjoy a clean home. That connects their action to the community, just like Soji does.
Japanese schools figured something out a long time ago, that children don't need to be protected from responsibility. They need to be trusted with it. Soji isn't just about clean floors. It's about telling every child, every single day, you belong here. You contribute here. This place is better because you're in it. And that might be the most important thing a child can learn. If this made you think differently about chores, share it with a parent who needs to hear it. And I'll see you next week from Tokyo.